Everybody talks about replacing their legacy systems. I think it's been every insurer's objective for the last 10, 15 years. And working with ERS, I think we jointly managed to achieve that.
Change of control happened in 2013. Organisation in a lot of trouble. Central to that was the IT infrastructure, both from an applications and hardware perspective. Didn't give us any of the control that we needed, the flexibility that we needed, the operational efficiency that we needed, so we had to re-platform. We spent some time looking at what can we really do with our legacy platforms. Our view of our market was that it was changing, that data was becoming far more important, that the customers' requirements in terms of transparency of process and all that sort of stuff, that was continually going to change. And if we were going to be here in 5 years' time, delivering the outcome that we wanted, trying to squeeze a bit more out of the legacy was just never going to be enough. We weren't going to be able to do that. So we had to embrace the problem of legacy. And this has been around for 20 years in the insurance industry.
The difference that I saw with this piece of work was the way that ICE embedded themselves into our underwriting teams to really understand our business and design a solution that met the needs of the business.
So we're using the latest technology, such as Google Material Design, to deliver intuitive, easy to use, fast, responsive user experiences. So ICE has a really flexible data structure based upon the insurance model, but it's extensible by the client.
One of the differentiators, I think, for ERS and working with us was actually our migration approach, and the fact that we were very confident in doing a big bang migration.
We had to take the big jump and absolutely no regrets about doing it, because it's created a completely different set of capabilities and a foundation from which we can build.
It enables what we want to do as a business, as opposed to constrains or dictates what we do.
It takes a lot of the strain out of both management and operational customer service.
It allows us to be so much more responsive to the needs of our brokers and our customers. So when we identify opportunities, we can assess them quickly and we can deliver solutions to meet those needs.
Our IT is now cost effective in a way that it never was before. So we're running at well under half of our previous cost of IT, total cost of IT, and the value that it delivers to the business is very substantially enhanced.
From a customer point of view, I think the flow is much more natural. The nature of the conversation we can have with customers now is a lot less disjointed.
The software enables us to deliver a standard process and a standard way of working to our customers. So we have consistent value proposition delivered in a consistent way time after time. That builds customer loyalty, and that whole ability to manage process is a real benefit. And also the data that we have on the way in which we're operating and how our business processes are operating enables us to be flexible, allow us to respond to change.
I suppose we love being presented with a problem to try and solve, and sometimes the harder the problem, the better the gratification when we get it right. And for ERS, we know we've got it right. The most exciting and best project I've ever worked on.
We've made some friends for life along the way, I think I can safely say.